Hey everybody, this is Jeff and Edwin from Best Price Nutrition. You can check us out at BestPriceNutrition.com, where you can sign up for emails, you can sign up for SMS, be the first ones to find new products like Primobolan. You can also check us out on social media. We're on, I think, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook. That's probably it. But lastly, right down below, there's a little bell. You can ring it and you can save it. You'll know every time that we come out with new videos, you'll be alerted. So today we're going to talk about a brand new product, well, as of March 2022, called Primobolan. This is Hi-Tech Pharmaceuticals' newest ProHormone. Looking off the bottle, easiest way, it increases nitrogen retention, it increases protein synthesis, it's for size, strength, muscle mass, and it's the strongest cutting anabolic agent, according to Hi-Tech Pharmaceuticals. But I've got Edwin here, who is the pro at not only explaining some of the ingredients in here, but actually sounding them out as well. So Edwin, can you give us an idea about what's in this product?
Yeah, just I'm the pro at ProHormones. So the basic three ingredients that are in Primobolan is the 1-andro-DHEA, the 3-beta-hydroxy, and then the 6-keto spiroandrosterone as well. So 1-andro-DHEA, basically just the 1-DHEA, so it's very similar to the 1-testosterone that Hi-Tech has. Gets into your system, converts it into the 1-testosterone that your body naturally makes, which is the 1-DHEA that your body naturally makes. And then it works synergistically with the 3-beta-hydroxy, which is an epi-andro. This one actually has the acetate form, which is actually a very fast acting form of it, so you'll actually kind of feel it a bit more rapidly, more than others. And then the 6-keto is actually a DHEA metabolite to help activate the DHEA receptors to make sure that the 1-andro is actually going to get absorbed and utilized properly by the body. And I mean, all three of them, realistically, you get actually no conversion out of it, which is why it's a fantastic cutting agent. So I really think this one can be taken as a standalone and works phenomenal, to be honest with you. 50 milligrams per tablet as well, with the whole mixture of them. So I mean,
and you get 50 milligrams per tablet, and you're taking 3 per day. I know a lot of the other ProHormones, I think, are either 1 or 2 a day.
Yeah.
And this one you take 3 a day, so a whole bottle is going to last you a full month. You know, we usually recommend, 8 weeks to stay on these things for?
Yeah. General ProHormone cycle, you want to run about 8 weeks. It's actually fully optimize all the actual ingredients in there, making sure your body can actually recognize all of them and then actually put them to use as well.
Okay, so yeah, so it just require 2 bottles. And because this is, it's more cutting agents in here, do you think a product like a remistane would be required for this?
Personally, no. Because like I said, you get no conversion out of any of the ingredients that are in here. So realistically, you don't have to worry about any excess water retention or any estrogen conversion at all, because none of the compounds in here do actually convert into estrogen. If you want to take one to kind of cut off more of the water retention, any of the water weight, if you are worried about it, you can. Do I say is it needed? No.
Okay. But you should take the Arimoplex for 4 weeks afterwards, which is the PCT. You should do that with any ProHormone. So a good cycle then would be 2 bottles of this, 8 weeks, followed by Arimoplex with the PCT. And just finally, just going over everything we talked about again. So this is going to be a great cutting ProHormone for you. I guess you could call it a stack in 1 bottle. Perfect for spring, right now. It's not quite spring yet, but it's good. Or summer. So if you're looking to cut down, probably getting that harder, drier look, this would be a great product to test out for you. Anything else we're missing?
No. I mean, pretty much went over everything. So.
Yeah, again, don't have a lot of feedback on it yet, just because it's brand new. It actually got into our warehouse this week. It's already selling. I think we sold like 50 bottles already today. So it's doing very well. So if you're looking to cut for the summer, spring, Primobolan by Hi-Tech Pharmaceuticals.